Car insurance savings tips for pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They think the only way to save is by picking the cheapest policy. The surprising truth is that strategic adjustments and available discounts can save you hundreds annually without sacrificing coverage. Free online resources provide general tips like safe driver discounts, bundling policies, or raising deductibles. Paid guides offer personalized calculations, state-specific advice, and tools to compare multiple discount options at once. Subscription services per month provide ongoing alerts for new savings opportunities and updates on insure promotions. For example, a subscription platform could show that switching to a higher deductible, combining auto and home insurance, and maintaining a clean driving record might save you annually. It can also flag lesser-known discounts like low mileage, defensive driving, or student discounts. Most people get this wrong by not reviewing policies regularly. The best tools provide continuous updates, helping you capture savings as life circumstances change, like moving, buying a new car, or adding family members to your policy. In conclusion, online savings tips and tools are a cost-effective way to optimize your car insurance. Small investments and guidance can translate to significant yearly savings and smarter coverage choices.